In the last 4 years, the Global Evaluation Initiative, or the GEI, has been very busy strengthening monitoring and evaluation systems and fostering local skills and leadership in 34 countries. In this video, you'll hear from the people shaping this change, our partners, leaders, and experts whose voices bring the GEI's mission to life.
In a world where evidence-based decision-making is more important than ever, the Global Evaluation Initiative is playing a critical role in building capacities and strengthening national M&E systems.
Our decisions now can shape entire ecosystems and impact millions of lives. The importance of reliable data and evidence has never been greater. From designing social programs to responding to crises, governments and organizations need robust monitoring and evaluation for M&E systems to ensure their actions create meaningful impact.
The GEI plays a pivotal role in this journey, empowering countries to strengthen their M&E systems and foster sustainable development. What sets the GEI apart? It's not just about providing resources, it's about building lasting capacities, creating partnerships, and embedding evaluation into decision-making at every level. And we do this thanks to a tight network of partners, clear centers, HIPDET, and an app that connects global expertise with local needs, creating a lasting impact.
During the last 4 years, GEI supported 34 program countries and responded to 7 on-demand engagements. Together with partners, GEI delivered 12 monitoring and evaluation system assessments, so-called MESAs, and helped develop 21 M&E capacity development strategies.
In Brazil, GEI support extends from capacity building to creating foundational resources for evaluation, both at federal and state levels.
CLEAR in Brazil had a very big part in capacity building, and it has helped the federal government build capacity and train public officials, and has brought them to international conference like this one, but it has also done a lot of short-term courses and other things like that. It also had a big part in the writing of our guidebooks, and not only the federal government guidebooks, but also state-level guidebooks. And I think that's another very important aspect of CLEAR's job in Brazil.
In Uzbekistan, GEI's expertise is helping integrate monitoring and evaluation into national development strategies and fostering stakeholder collaboration.
As a collaboration with CLEAR, we started a MESA exercise. So we took this analysis and actually this MESA exercise was at first at sectorial level. So we reached out for GEI colleagues. We took it to the national level, and it gave us an opportunity to arrange big meetings with all the stakeholders, and we tried to make this approach as much wider as we can. Yeah. So it gave us also the diverse results and diverse insights.
For CLEAR South Asia, an important part of strengthening government capacity is ensuring that policymakers see the value of robust M&E systems so as to institutionalize a culture of evidence use.
Coming from India, I have seen that in the last year, experience that having a institutionalization of evaluation is very important. That means that we should have a regular office which is backed by some kind of law, and apart from that, we need also to have adequate capacity at the both national level and the sub-national level, that is on various states. So that's actually is what is very important for conducting evaluations on a regular basis. I also like to thank GEI and its local partner in India, that's Nepal. So CLEAR South Asia, and they have been actually instrumental in providing many capacity building exercise at various national and sub-national level, and I look forward for meaningful engagement in future.
In Cabo Verde, GEI support is helping develop monitoring evaluation system that integrates a diverse group of stakeholders, setting an example for the region.
When I started as a national director for planning, I saw the possibility to work with the CLEAR, and after that we work on GEI, and it's amazing because everything we have been implemented, it was done with them, with support from their side. They support us in terms of implementation, support in terms of the vision, how we can prepare, and also to give us the training and also the capacity building, and also to work with us how we can prepare our system today to be, let me say, more prepared in terms of the evaluation tomorrow.
During the past 4 years, GEI trained close to 18,000 civil servants, members of academia and civil society from nearly all the regions across the globe: Africa, Europe and Central Asia, South Asia, Latin America and the Caribbean, and the Middle East.
In Pakistan, GEI's work ensures that evaluation becomes part of governance DNA, training leaders to make informed, evidence-based decisions.
The CLEAR Center has been particularly active in engaging with senior civil servants. And in Pakistan, the CLEAR Center has engaged over a prolonged period of time with the National School of Public Policy, where the senior civil servants get the highest training at a very senior level of their career just before being pushed up to the decision-making level. That's where they're engaged, and I think that's a very critical juncture of civil servants' career in which they are exposed to different evaluations. They're exposed to the importance of evaluation and how to be good customers and consumers of research evidence. So I think that's a very, very valuable contribution that CLEAR Pakistan has made to the evaluation agencies.
But the work of GEI doesn't only help your systems. It inspires individuals, empowering them to make a difference in their communities.
When I think about myself before coming to CLEAR and now, I really feel a changement. I feel like I have grew up. I feel like more confident about what I'm doing, and I feel more enthusiastic about evaluation. It motivated me, and I want to do better things. I want to improve myself. I want to contribute to this amazing thing we are all building together.
Better evaluation. The GEI's knowledge platform consistently receives 1.8 million page views per year. Over the past 4 years, the GEI network has produced 342 knowledge products and organized or supported more than 1,500 knowledge-sharing events, reaching an audience of over 100,000 people. Each year, the Global Evaluation Week alone features over 300 events. In 2024, it attracted 25,000 participants from around the world.
In Jamaica, GEI's partnership lends credibility and provides the expertise necessary to advance national systems.
There's always an advantage when you have an international organization that you partner with. It carries a lot of credibility. It's perceived as being far more independent than if something is done locally. It's also perceived as bringing a lot more broad expertise and a lot more outside perspectives than what can be achieved locally.
In Tanzania, the GEI fosters connections that elevate the country's visibility and capacities in the global evaluation landscape.
We are now collaborate with so many actors in evaluation landscape, inside but also outside the country. So this is also a good sign for us, because now we see Tanzania on evaluation map. Before that, it was there, but not to this extent that we are saying. So it's all because we have get connected. And this is, I cannot hesitate to say, this is through CLEAR, it's through GEI initiatives. They have taken us a step forward from where we were.
After 4 years of supporting the strengthening of national M&E systems around the world, the GEI network has gained valuable insights and experiences. And so we're now ready to continue our mission to solidify our role as a global center of expertise in evaluation capacity building. Thank you to all of those who have supported us. We hope you'll continue to be a part of our journey.